Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your iPad Air 13 2026 is overheating while charging. First of all, if you are using your iPad with the case, protective case, it's actually a good idea, but not in this situation. I highly recommend removing the case while you're charging your device and placing it somewhere farther away from the sunlight, from the direct sunlight, so that it doesn't heat up our device. And so removing the protective case will also improve your device's heat dissipation. Then also go to settings on your device and disable the background refresh for the applications that you have opened in the background. Go to general and find background app refresh and disable this feature temporarily. This will not let your apps load any new content in the background. And what we also want to do is go to Recent View and disable all the recently opened applications. If you followed everything up to this point, your device shouldn't be overheating while you're charging it. Make sure that you are using genuine charging equipment, the Apple original charging brick and cable connected to your device. And while keeping your device away from the direct sunlight, it shouldn't be overheating at all. I also want to warn you not to use your device while it's charging, at least try not to abuse it. Definitely do not play any games on it or perform any tasks that require too many resources of your tablet, because this will also damage your tablet's battery in long term. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.